This is brutal power wrapped in an elegant machine.
In this video I'm going to show you how to create a flat fee for a horse versus the accumulation of expenses and recharging of owners. So if you've got horses where you just want to charge a flat fee of $1,500 a month and then it's broken up into all of the percentages, then there's a way to do that. There's just a couple of things we need to do to ensure that happens. So the first thing is to go to your master configuration, go to your horse location status, create a new location, so what you can do then is go into your rules, add a new rule, which is the location is flat fee and the status might be full training. That rate is 0. And what that means is if it's there, it won't get charged any amount. So if I then go back into a horse, and let's create Shady Diamond, doesn't have a location history, so let's just go make it from there. And I'll just add some owners so you can see the split. So to make sure the adjustment date is from when they took first look ownership. Right, so this horse is not earning any day rate income, but what we can then do is create just a new expense for supplier, my bad, for Shady Diamond. So monthly flat fee, it's 1,000. You can say for month of November, save. And then basically that's now a monthly flat fee, $1,000, and so you would see the cost for the horse. You would see that expense there being charged out of 1,000, and obviously then split against the owners based on their percentage. So you can see owner cost. Multiply. Equal by Shady Diamond. You can see that he's not going to be charged because it's 0, and that won't appear on his invoice. But because he had 44%, his monthly flat fee will be $440. Based on his percentage. So obviously if you've got 10 owners and it's $1,500, it's $150 each per month. But yeah, that's the easiest way to do a monthly flat fee. The thing to remember is just to make sure that there's no day rate charges being charged out. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email at support@prism.horse.